subscribe for more upcoming videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make pink amber of Robocar Team from paper. It's called Paper Craft Toy. Just by using scissors and glue, I'll turn paper into a fancy ambulance van. You can easily download and print out the model paper on the internet. Use hard and glossy paper will help your amber more fancy. Remember to use color print. My paper is now ready to use. Let's get started.
Okay.
The very first step is to cut it out along the solid lines. Be careful when using scissors, better using under parents' guidance. This is the main body of the van. Now I'll cut this out to make the bow on top later. This is the last part that works as a cap. As you can see, there are areas marked with numbers. I will fold the dashed lines near numbers into mountain folds. Fold the dashed lines on the front part of the van. There are two dashed lines on the right side of the van. Fold them. Do the same with two dashed lines on the left side. And also two dashed lines on the back of the van. Apply the side tape to the numbered areas. The main body of amber has been formed. Let me put the cap on for her head. Now let me make a bow for Amber with the last piece of paper. There are 3 dashed lines here, but we have to cut out this white area first. Stick it here. Ta-da! Hi! Our Amber is now ready to rock.